Macquarie Telecom. This is interesting that you've picked this one. Well, I would have thought the telco companies, it's also operates data centres, would actually be somewhat more resilient, particularly in the face of slower growth.
Yeah, so I was interested to see if you did find this a rather unusual sell recommendation. Look, it is a business that does do okay. The data, it's down about 15% since the start of the year. It actually had guidance which was revised a little bit higher last week. In my view, that's not likely to be the catalyst that turns the share price around. But my real concern is that the stock trades on quite low volume, which is something that you really should be cautious of and it should make a part of that investing decision when you look at companies. So the average volume is less than 8,000 on a day, which means given any given day, less than 8,000 shares trade hand or change hands, and that compares to BHP, which is sitting on an average volume of about 11 million. So low volume stocks are usually not trading for a very good reason, and that's because few people want them. And my main point is that the lack of liquidity makes them hard to sell, and even if the stock appreciates, it's still quite difficult to sell. So one to avoid on those low volume element to the business.